Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is jercallora. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys why you should not upgrade your personal PayPal account into a business PayPal account, guys. Okay, because I have this problem with my account, and I cannot get back my account until now, and it's quite sad because PayPal is the only tool or the only service that I use to to receive money from clients, right? Now the reason why I suggest you to not use business PayPal account or upgrade your personal PayPal account into a business PayPal account if you are just a freelancer that receive and receive payments from clients, right? If you're just using this for your personal purposes only, like receiving payments or sending payments, then I suggest you to not upgrade your PayPal account or to not use business PayPal account because you're gonna have to upload or they will require you a business registration, and if you don't have that business registration, then you will never get back your account, and that is that is what happened to my account. I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like. Right, so as you can see, I'm here in my account and I have an alert message right here. So this is the alert message saying that I'm gonna have to confirm my identity, and I cannot do anything with my account right now because it's been limited for couple of months. I cannot receive payments. I cannot send money. I cannot do anything with it. I cannot use it to buy online. I cannot also um, I cannot also connect this to an app. So it's really frustrating because this is the only service that I use to receive payments, and now I'm gonna have to find another way to receive payments from clients. So let me show you my what are the requirements that they need to be able you to get back your account. So they will prompt you with this to confirm your identity. I've already completed my personal information like contact details, my proof of identity like IDs and whatever information they need. However, um, they also required me to submit a proof of business registration, in which I don't have it because I don't have a real business. And if you will upload, I'm not sure what documents they need here to, I'm not sure what documents they require you to upload business registration, and it's really frustrating because when I try to contact their support, they always they always keep on ignoring my emails and they're not responding it correctly, and it's really frustrates me because you know I don't have any support at all, and I cannot get back my account. I cannot do anything with this, right? They require me to upload the proof of address. Yes, I have an address. I have a business. I have an address, but it's not a business address because it's my personal address. It's not a business address. I can use this personal address in here to to upload my um, current address. I also have bank statement. I can do that. However, with proof of business registration, I tried it multiple times, but they always keep on denying my my business, my submission of the documents because I don't really sure. I'm not really sure what documents they need in here, and I don't have a business. Maybe um, I don't know. Maybe they need you to to register your business to to mayor's office or whatever that is. I don't know. Maybe they required DDI, and as long as you don't upload the documents in here, you cannot get back your account. And I'm not really sure what I can do with this right now because I cannot do anything with it, and unless I've uploaded documents in here, a business registration, which I don't have one. you know that is why, guys, I am share with you that not to use business PayPal account if you are just using PayPal for your personal purposes only, like as receiving money from clients, because your account has a limitation, and if you reach that limit to your account, then you're gonna have to confirm your identity and upload a business registration documents, right? So I have a few transactions in here, and I cannot do anything with it anymore, right? As you can see, still um, a balance in here, which I cannot withdraw. I cannot use it to buy online. I cannot also transfer this unless I've solved this problem, right? I've also, I said a while ago, I've also contacted their support, and they always keep on saying that you're gonna have to upload a business registration, and I don't have a business registration. That is why I cannot get back this account right now. I can log in though. I can view my account, but I cannot do anything with it. I cannot send money. I cannot receive money. I cannot do anything with it, guys. So not use PayPal. Do not use PayPal if you are just do not use business PayPal if you are just using it for your personal purposes only, um, like receiving money or sending money, guys. All right. So that is it, guys, and I hope you've learned something, you get value from this video. And if you have some questions, you can leave comment down in the description of this video. And if you have a solution for this, let me know in the comment section. And also try to check what are those recommendations that you you recommend. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.